up everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Artie. If you're new to the channel, first off, smash that subscribe button and please press that notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload a video on the channel. And in today's video we have the BMW E92 M3 back on the channel. So I'm going to show you guys this little hidden feature about the BMW E92 M3. If you have one of these cars and you took off your traction and you launched this car before, then you know of this option. So I do not no longer want to waste your time in this video. But if you're out there looking to buy an E92 M3, this option is the best thing that comes with this car. Now, I love one thing about unlocking the 6th transmission setting in the E92 M3 is because it gives you all of the raw feeling, everything that you can do with this car with unlocking it, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that right now so you can enjoy your car. Alright guys, so we're in the Beamer, we about to start it up, and I want to show you guys how to unlock and what exactly we're unlocking right now. So let me just put the car into drive. So if you look right here, you're going to see 5 bars, 3 of them are filled in. So what we're going to try to do is unlock another setting. But to fill out 5 that we have, we're gonna come over here and on your steering wheel, focus please, we have the M button. So once you hold that M button, you're gonna see that it fills up all of the bars. We're gonna come down right here. We're gonna take off the traction, hold that, come back here, and you see that you have that extra additional bar. Then we're gonna come down to over here, and we are going to press this up, and bang, you got all 6 bars unlocked. And now let's take it for a ride. So with the whole 6 bars unlocked, your 6th setting unlocked, what it does is you're going to use your paddle shift, and that makes the shifts a lot more brutal, and the car drives harder, and it's meant to be driven. And when I told you guys that this is my favorite thing about the E92 M3, I meant it in that regard where overall the car is phenomenal. A V8, who does not love the sound of a V8? But with the options of having your transmission shift this way, and with you using your DCT paddle shift, it's much, I guess, funner in my opinion. Like, I like my cars to be fun, as you guys know. And I think this right here, it makes you use a car, you get what I mean? You have all of the gears up to 3rd and 4th gear we tried yesterday, it trips. And in my opinion, honestly, the E92, that's what it's meant to be. It's meant to be driven like all BMWs, and that's why I love it so much. But honestly, the thing about this, it's not a secret. A lot of people, like I said, that use launch control for the E92s, they're aware of this. They're aware of this feature, and this is not no new information that I'm sharing with you guys. But for those that don't know, that are buying, I mean, I won't suggest you sharing this with everybody, because there are not a lot of good drivers out there. But with the tires warmed up, if it's not a raining condition, you can fool around with the car. You're gonna enjoy the downshifts and everything that the E92 has to offer. So like I said, he's gonna try it right now. I don't think you drove it with the 6,000.
I've never driven it like that before. I didn't even know about it until Artie told me. It's just a totally different feeling. I'm amazed.
Well, we're gonna take this out for a ride, enjoy it. It needs to be driven. You gotta get beat on your car a little bit. That's what they're meant for, especially cars like this. But that's that, guys. Just wanted to show some information. If it's new to you, give this video a thumbs up if you were already aware of it. Sorry for another boring video. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.